Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error out of video memory with the error code FHD01, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not, so just open up the Xbox app. And now you're going to click onto your username, click onto support, and then click gaming services repair tool, click start repairing. And now it will diagnose your issue, and once it finds the issue it will try to fix it on its own. Once this whole process is done, you're going to click close on here. It's going to take a minute or two to complete the full process, and after that you're going to sign out from your Xbox account and then close the Xbox app. You're going to open up your web browser, and now you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to scroll down. You're going to download the x86 and x64 versions of Microsoft Visual C++. Once you download it, you're going to install both of them. Now you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up Steam now. You're going to right click on Forza Horizon 6, click Properties, Install Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. After that, click Close on here. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign in with your account, and once you're done signing in, minimize this app. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here add or remove programs. Now you're going to search for a program called Citrix Workspace. So if you have any program installed like Citrix Workspace, you're going to have to uninstall those programs if you want to play Forza Horizon 6. So just uninstall Citrix Workspace. Now you can go ahead and play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.